22nd April 2023 today and yesterday evening in this country of Sabah, Penampang, there was suddenly a very heavy rain for half an hour, complete with thunder and a bit of a wind. And when I went home, I saw this Cavendish already collapsed like that. It's matured in a way. The leaves are dried up. It's not growing anymore. I think the stem showing its age, it means it's had it. And the fruit is yellowing already, meaning it's matured, but it's not ripe yet. Let me touch it. Yeah, it's still hard. But it's probably yellowing, I suspect, also under the hot sun. But it's big enough. So it means, well, it has collapsed. It will go ripe by itself under the sun. Or the birds and the squirrel will go and enjoy themselves on it. Or I'll take it myself. This Cavendish Dwarfed, this is about my height. It generally is a bit sweet. All you can taste is sweet, not like those real yellow variety. So, but this is the flooded ground. I suspect the flood has something to do with it. As compared to the higher ground there, which so far has been free from a flood, that means the flood level is that high. Okay, about my height. The flood level here is about my height. And the guy is also bearing a young fruit there, still not matured. The leaves are still green, and he has lots of pups, just because it's fed with lots of ashes from these tall grasses. My grass cutter comes and I collect those grasses, and it becomes food for them. Okay. So down here also, this fellow has gone, but is replaced with two pups. Or some people call them pups, some people call them babies. The bigger one looks healthy, but the small one doesn't look healthy yet. I'm very suspicious of it. I'm sure there's some disease on its root, and I'm going to investigate what I'm going to do about it. Just look at it. It got this staining of the leaves, and the leaf here, the young leaves, are bunchy. And don't tell me this guy is having a bunchy top disease. So maybe I have to clear the grasses around it and investigate the root system. But I suspect in the flood area there will be little snails in there, and the snails, I think, bring some root disease to bananas, and I hate those snails. But snails can be controlled by ashes, you know. So that's one of the beauty of spreading ashes around bananas. So I'm gonna have to go and chop this thing down. I have to chop the matured one to give room to the young ones to take over. And that's what you do with bananas. And here comes the hot sun. The hot sun just appeared, and it's damn hot. It must be about 40 degrees C outside under the hot sun. So it's burning hot. But I got another one there. Banana leaves loves the sun, provided you got enough moisture on the roots. So that's about all is the secrets to bananas, really. Apart from it's difficult to control the natural diseases. Yep, that's all folks for today.